Hi guys, it's Eleazar with Tekk, and today we're going to be testing out a strip screw removal kit from Speedout. Okay, so in this situation we're going to install a piece of equipment here, so we need to remove this spacer, but we've got a stripped out screw right there, and it's in pretty bad shape, so it's not grabbing anywhere. So let's use the Speedout and see if we can get that screw out. We're going to be using the Speedout, and we're going to start off with the number 2. So we've got a bore side and then the side with the threads that grabs. So let's try the number 2. Put it on our drill and see if it gets that screw out. It says to do everything in reverse, so I'm going to bore it out in reverse. Okay, now let's do the grip side, and again we're still in reverse. You want to put a little bit of pressure on it. Doesn't seem like it's grabbing. So what we'll do is we'll just move up to the next step, number 3. So here's our number 3, and we'll see if that'll grab. Oh, there we go. Super easy. And then if you want to just alright, there you have it. Here we have 3 different size screws. They're all pretty stripped out. I'm going to start off with the number 2 bore side, and we'll start from smallest to biggest. So first off, remember we want to always in reverse. Want to start off with a little bit of pressure, and that one seems to be grabbing just fine with the bore side alone, so I'd say that one was a success. Alright, we'll move on to the second one. Now we'll flip it to our threaded side. Okay. Again, in reverse, a little bit of pressure. Alright. There we go. We'll move on to the next size, again boring it out first. Okay. Flip to the other side. Alright, let's see if this one works on the first try. There it goes. There we go. Well, that concludes our review on the Speedout strip screw removal kit. Definitely a valuable addition to your toolbox. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos, reviews, and product giveaways.